So this is my outfit, this is my dress. Yay, it's a beautiful anarkali. Really left a piece of my heart in Rajasthan, I can say. It's very Shukravara, Lakshmi Bandlu, Lakshmi ke Lakshmi Bandlu and all. Story how my daughter's name has come Gayatri. So this morning I was thinking let's go to Vidhan Sauda here, there, everywhere and Snow City, blah 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 blah. So many places in Bangalore. But then for that we have to get ready early. She's smiling listening to Park. ये जनरेशन बीटा बहुत ज़्यादा तेज है. Is this a Nepali dish? I don't know. If you're a Nepali, let me know in the comments. What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath's vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's Thursday today, and it's happy Eid to all those who are celebrating. And today it was my husband's holiday, so I thought, okay, it was optional for me, so I also took it. Let me tell you, I woke up at 12:30. I skipped breakfast now directly to lunch now. Baby did not sleep last night, so she woke up at 5 or 6 in the morning and then was just crying. And then Guruji brought her out and all that, and then we put her to sleep again. So I also slept with her, and we both woke up at 12:30. Wow! Anyways, the cook had come and cooked and all that. So yeah, now it's time to have breakfast. This is my breakfast come dinner. That is dahi. This is chutney, and I don't know what is this. Yeah, पड़ोसे गेला उपकरी आणि शीत वटू बरसीला चना उपकरी आणि शीत बरसीला म्हणके असं. Nepali cook made it, saying that it's their side of food, I think. So she put a big white chanas and rice and mixed everything together and has made something. So my sister-in-law Pooja Vanni was saying that कसं गो आमची गेल वचून नेपाली जात की कसं तू या पळोवच्या गेला बदा वय दिसतस वन्नी उपकरे निशीत वटू परसून पण घाला म्हणके असं टेस्ट कोण सांगता लेट्स टेस्ट इट ಕೌಶೆ ಹೇಗಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಹೇಗಲ್ಲ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಹೇಗಲ್ಲ ಅಳಸಂದೆ ಬಿ some ಇದಗಲ್ಲ it's smelling like cucumber. Lots of cucumber in it. Is this a Nepali dish? I don't know. If you're a Nepali, let me know in the comments. Is this a Nepali dish? Once you end up waking late and then everything is udasine, udasine, udasine. Enjoying my coffee at 3 p.m. Very nice. We gave a bath to baby girl. I thought she'll sleep. She was crying heavily and wanted the bottle. Looks sleepy, but she has no plans of sleeping. We'll have a bath and then we'll think to go outside somewhere, park or somewhere. Maybe, yeah. Faster. She's smiling, listening to Park. ये जनरेशन बीटा बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ है. Very, 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 very smart. 10 steps ahead of us. बनाना है वीडियो. Hey! कश करते हैं जी 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 कश कर जा भाग गई ये क्या कर रही है ओ 12 come get ready with me. I am going to wear this top which I got from Meesho some time back and this pant which my mom bought from Thailand. I know it doesn't go well, but I don't have any other pant. It's not too long also. I got dressed. Okay, let's do some hair and makeup. So since morning I was thinking let's go to Vidhan Sauda here, there, everywhere and Snow City, blah, 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 blah. So many places in Bangalore. But then for that we have to get ready early and leave from home at what 2, 3 in the afternoon because from where we stay everything is 1 hour far away. We are again going to Agara Lake and temple probably. There is a beautiful temple called Basaveshwara Gayatri Temple in HSR layout. It's a very beautiful temple, white color, marble kind of outside. Basaveshwara means Shiva, and Gayatri is Gayatri goddess. Story how my daughter's name has come Gayatri. I am a believer of goddess Gayatri Devi through Prakash Bhatmam in Udupi. I have lot of miracles in my life because of him and goddess Gayatri. Many years later, when I conceived, so the first scanning happened in HSR. There was this temple opposite to the scanning center. So we first wanted to go to the temple and then go to the scanning center. It was Basaveshwara Gayatri temple. And it was like a miracle for me that I met by Gayatri Devi again in front of the scanning center. So then I thought, okay, if I have a girl, I will name her Gayatri. 9 months later, I actually had a baby girl, and we had like 12 days to think about her name. So because of the 12th day, we do the Tottili Hakudu, Namakarana, cradling ceremony. My mother is a huge Krishna devotee. One was Madhavi, because Madhav is Krishna. Krishna, she used to call the baby from the day it was born. And then we told her, okay, you name her Madhavi. So then we have to name her something, no? So what will be the official name we were thinking? And then she was born on a Friday, by the way. So my name is Lakshmi, and the nurse and all in the hospital were like, "Oh, Shukravara Lakshmi Bandlu, Lakshmi ke Lakshmi Bandlu," and all that. And, I told, okay, Gayatri. And then my husband was very supportive. He also liked the name a lot. We wanted a proper Hindu god's name to name our baby, so that's how she is named Gayatri. And then we had so many more names. We have to name 12 names, right? And then we had also visited Rajasthan some time back. Jaipur's Diya Kumari's daughter's name is Gauravi. So we like that name also. So Guruji named his daughter Gauravi, inspired by our Rajasthan trip. I really left a piece of my heart in Rajasthan, I can say. It's very, very beautiful. Miguel Kajjal Sarlama, Kajjal Galchavatana उड़ Miguel Kajjal Sarlama. खाली हो गया है, कुछ नहीं है इसमें. 12 दबे गुआ गुआ तुम भी दिखा दो मम्मी. रस नहीं, रस दटे है. हाँ 12 गुआ ऐसे करिए. आई गिर गया. So this is my outfit, this is my dress. Yeah, it's a beautiful anarkali kurta. I've worn a pant below, but you can't even make out because it's so long. Sheer inside, so that's the reason I wore it. What's that? 6:35, cloudy, and we reached the park. It's a Thursday today. Not a holiday for everybody, so the park and all is less crowded. This Jokali is very safe for kids. It is like a butti, no? Didi is with the baby, so I can relax a little bit. Look at the clouds. The clouds are saying something. What is that? Oh, they are telling you to hit that like button. So many things in this park. That's one swing. There are multiple types of slides there, and the seesaw, then this elephant something, then that merry-go-round. That slide is very beautiful. 3-4 types of slides are there, but baby girl only wants this swing. She only wants that swing, nothing else. We tried to put her in the merry-go-round and all, and that slide, no, she doesn't want it. No, there's lightning and a lake. This is Agara Lake. Let's try to capture lightning. It was lightning.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so we reached home. Suddenly it started raining, and then our temple plan got cancelled. We reached home now, and the sad thing is my phone fell down along with the mic's transmitter and mic. Now my mic stopped working. That's the reason you can hear such bad quality of voice. खर्चे पे खर्चा, खर्चे पे खर्चा. Let me show you a unique dance which goes on now. Ayyappa, 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 ayyappa.
Start.
She also dances when the ball dribbles. Watching our own video on TV. Bell icon. Till I order a new mic, the voice quality is going to be this bad, I think. बैठे बैठे 3,000 का खर्चा हो गया यार. Feeling very bad. I spent about 3,000 on that mic, 2,700 or something on that mic, and it's not working at all now. It's gone. I barely used it initial days. I was too lazy to use it. I had to talk like this, and it used to give very bad quality. And off late, I started using it extensively, and now it's gone. I feel bad. I ordered food from Truffles Belandur outlet, and that was stuffed fungi and Alfredo pasta. This is called stuffed fungi. I think this is mushroom cheese balls. And this is Alfredo pasta, white sauce pasta. It is. This also tastes good. It's my regular, and that is bread. Pasta is very good. This cheese ball. No. Mushroom. This is that mayo dip. Honestly amazing. Buy a new mic. I cannot go on like this, especially in public places. The background noise is horrible, and it'll be make it a very bad experience for you to watch my vlog. So that is this. This goes into the iPhone, and this is that mic which I hold and talk. This fell off, and it was such a shock. I was in shock, so I immediately pulled this out from the phone, and maybe this part this got damaged. Now it's not working. When I connect this, it blinks. It gives a blue light here. That's gone now. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that hype button. And let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. Hype the video and support me and share it with your friends. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.